Hello everyone, my name is James McCarter, the GM of Absolute Overhead Door Service of Lexington. If you're watching this video today, you more than likely have a broken garage door or a broken garage door opener, and you live in the Paris area. We service many areas in Paris, including Houston Oaks, Squires Pointe, Shannon Run, and Bourbon Parkway. And many others inside of Paris. If you're looking to get on schedule for a service call, we do provide same-day service. You give us a call before 1 p.m. We will have a technician out that same day to come and fix or repair your garage door or your garage door opener. We also provide same-day service on estimates as well. Give us a call before 1 p.m. We'll have someone come out. If you're in the market to replace your garage door or your garage door opener, we'll have someone come out and go over all the options that you are wanting for your garage door. That way we can get the product that fits you and fits your property. Here at Absolute, we strive for nothing but the best, which our online market has backed that. Between our Google reviews, Angie's List, and Home Advisor, feel free to go check that out. We've won every award possible for Angie's List and Home Advisor. A little bit about Absolute Overhead Door Service. Our company was founded in 2008 in Elizabethtown by Vince Hauser, to which he later expanded into the Louisville market and the Lexington market, making it easier for you in Paris to obtain our services. We go for nothing but the best, provide nothing but the best product. Quality, value are very important to us. So to get on schedule for a service call, there's a couple of ways that you can do that. First thing that you can do is actually go onto the schedule tab, and you can book your own appointment online. The second thing that you can do is go to the phone number that's listed on this website. Give us a call, and one of our dispatchers will get you set up with the time that's most convenient for you. Again, same-day service on service calls and estimates. And those estimates that we provide are free estimates. If there's anything else that you need, we do have a FAQs page, frequently asked questions. It's going to go over a couple things like your garage door won't open, garage door won't close, how to program remotes, keypads, anything like that. If you can't find the answer that you're looking for on there, again, feel free to give us a call. We're always here to help. And again, thank you. My name is James McCarter with Absolute Overhead Door Service. Let us know how we can serve you.